Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Bitcoin Analytica. This is your host, Joe Saz, and today we're going to cover a little bit of what's been going on with some price action. We have had some significant stuff. Oh, shoot. But we're going to have to figure this out. All right. Well, we're not going to be mentioning my signals in this episode, but we will get to some of the other things for sure. So let's just jump into screen share. All right. So, basically, I need to log in. It's going to take me a bit, but interesting I don't really ever look at the hourly. We'll double top. There's just a really strong horizontal here. Been very present. This is one area of the channel. This is another, probably going back a ways. So peeking our head down low. Now a little double tap. Yeah, it's kind of interesting to look at it like this. It's such a dead space. Obviously, there's a ton of opportunity if you can trade a channel correctly and you can beat the fees. So always keep that in mind. Now, taking a quick look at Bitcoin on the CME futures, looks like we have met 50-day resistance, 50-day moving average as support for now. It's just opened sideways, so I'm not considering that resistance yet. It's open sideways. So I'm curious to see how this plays out. How important is it? It can be. Moving averages are on my list of things that are important, but are they the most important thing? Absolutely not. But you can clearly see in the past 2 weeks, we've had a bit of a fight with the short-term moving average here. So clearly some traders find it valuable, which means it can be valuable if that's where their orders are placed. So I think it's very possible we get a little bit of a relief bounce here, but we seem to be failing a lot of these fights. Moving sideways isn't such a great thing, and especially for as long as we have, it could lead to a bearish sentiment, and that's a problem. Yeah, it's a problem. So long story short, on the daily, it's like, dude, the most boring candles, some of the most boring candles. Obviously, we've had our whipsaws, but day in, day out, how many times in the past month have we had candles that have a body probably less than 1/10%? I would say a good handful. So yeah, things are a little tight right now, but yeah, I just see us going sideways. I don't know. This is crazy. I did take the trade earlier, hoping for our sharp move back up. Silver going sideways. All right. So yeah, I took the trade earlier and in the hopes that we can shape up a bit here. Obviously I don't have TRDR. We're gonna have to bust this out tomorrow, but I'm getting situated again. So we'll do a long stream tomorrow, figure things out. Hope you all have a very pleasant evening, and everyone, do some push-ups and sit-ups, turn the shower water cold, bend out your comfort zone. Don't turn to pharma for anything that you can replace with discipline. Fucking crazy. All right, everyone. Be talking to you very soon. Take care. Peace.